So, what we're going to do is just going to show you how we would induce hypnosis immediately, so like an instant induction chair, okay? So basically what we're going to do is, I'm going to explain it to you first of all, is that okay?
Perfect.
And then once I explain it to you, we'll actually do the process, is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So in a moment, can I borrow this hand for a second? I'm going to put your hand here like this, okay? And I'm going to put my finger here. Now, I want you to stare at the tip of the finger, and without moving your head, I'm going to ask you to follow just the finger. And what you'll notice is that your eyes start to become really, really heavy and tired. They'll start to blink just like they are now. They get to a point where they get so heavy you'll want them to close, and when you want them to close, that's fine. At that stage, I'm then going to ask you to press down really, really hard. That's it. I'm going to ask you to take a nice long deep breath and hold that breath till you hear me say the word sleep. Is that okay with you, Jerry? Fantastic. Okay, so I want you to just stare at the tip of the finger here, Jerry. And without moving your head, I want you to follow the finger just with your eyes. Notice the eyes getting really, really, really heavy straight away. They start to blink any second now. As soon as they start blinking, they're actually telling you they want to close. Now, when you feel that they want to close and you want to let them close, you close them. I want you to press down on this hand as hard as you can, Jerry. Lots of pressure, as much pressure as you can. Press harder and harder and harder. Now I want you to fill up your lungs, take a nice long deep breath, and hold that breath to the end you say the word sleep. Just fill up them lungs, lock that breath in, and press as hard as you can. That's it, keep going, that's it. Sleep. Way down, that's right. So I just go 5, deeper and deeper and deeper down now. Go further and further down to 4, and your body will just find its own balance in the chair. 3, all the way down to 2. As you just flop your hand down, you can lift yourself about 10 times deeper and deeper and deeper down towards 1. And that's fantastic. In a moment, I'm just going to count from 1 to 3, and on the count of 3, Jerry, those eyes will open. You'll be back to normal levels of awareness, feeling really, really relaxed, and just a lovely sense of well-being. So 1, just slowly, easily, effortlessly, just feel yourself come back to normal levels of awareness. 2, as all the wonderful feelings of relaxation remain with you for the rest of the day. And then 3, eyes just gently open, and all the way back again. Fantastic. That's a lot quicker than the first one. Yeah. How did that feel, Jerry?